Smart Cruise Control is designed to detect the vehicle ahead and help maintain the desired speed and minimum distance between the vehicle ahead. The system uses information from two primary sensors, a windshield camera and a radar sensor in the grille. Always keep the front view camera and front radar in good and clean condition to maintain optimal performance of the adaptive cruise control. To activate adaptive cruise control, press here. Now, this button toggles up and down, but can also be pressed in. Use it to set the initial speed by pushing down, and afterwards, push it up or down to increase or decrease the speed. Each time it's pushed up or down, it will increase or decrease the speed by about 1 km per hour. To pause or resume your set speed, push the switch inwards. This button is what makes adaptive cruise control unique. It adjusts the gap between you and the next car. Using the sensors, the system constantly calculates the gap according to the vehicle speed, as higher speeds require longer stopping distances, and the gap button allows the driver to add more space by offering 4 gap selections. Each time the button is pushed, the display indicates the gap setting. After setting number 4, it returns to setting number 1 if pushed again. As the vehicle speed changes, the system adjusts the gap, and each time the driver pushes the gap button, it will widen it. The driver can return to the lower gap setting by cycling through the 4 modes. As the system tracks a vehicle, it is possible that the vehicle ahead starts to slow down. For example, the speed may be set at 100 km an hour, but the vehicle ahead starts to slow down to 80. Your vehicle will slow down to 80, but the cruise is still set at 100 km an hour. When the vehicle in front moves over, that system will return the vehicle to 100 km an hour. How fast the system responds to changes like this can be adjusted by going into the settings. Look for Smart Cruise Reaction, where fast, normal, and slow reaction times are available to choose from. While driving in busy traffic, your vehicle will stop if the vehicle ahead of you stops. If, within a few seconds, the vehicle ahead of you starts moving again, your vehicle will start as well. But what if it stopped for longer than a few seconds? Adaptive cruise control can still help. Let's rewind and see how. The same scenario as before applies. After the vehicle has stopped, but a longer time has passed, you will be prompted by a Use Switch or Pedal to Accelerate message in the cluster. Depress the accelerator pedal or push the up and down cruise control switch to start driving. While adaptive cruise control is operating, when the collision risk with the vehicle ahead is high, the collision warning message will appear on the cluster, and an audible warning will sound to warn the driver. Always have your eyes on the road while driving, and if necessary, depress the brake pedal to reduce your driving speed in order to maintain a safe distance. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to the additional content on this app and your Hyundai Elantra Owner's Manual.